Today we'll learn how to make Canva logo with transparent background. So we have created a logo. The first option that we're going to use is a premium account, and then it will show a free account. So first select the logo, then click the background remover. It will remove the background. And after that, you have to go to the share, and then from there you have to click download and then select PNG. And here, make sure that you have the transparent background option selected. Click download. It will download. Let's open it. You'll see that we have downloaded the logo in PNG with no background. So this is useful if you have a pro account. Now I'm going to show you a free way to do it. The free way to do is without the premium account. So we're not going to remove the background, and we're just going to proceed with share and download and then select PNG. And since we don't have premium account, we'll just untick this and click download. After you download the file, go to this website and drop the image here. We have uploaded the file here, and you can see that it is removing the background for free. And now click download. Let's do a preview. Let's open it. You'll see that we don't have the background.